Today we will be discussing the roadmap of the Fundamentals of Accounting series of Accounting Zero to Hero. For beginners, this may serve as a guide on what things to learn or read in sequence, and will also clarify why our videos are being released in a certain way. Remember that we are here to help you understand the fundamental accounting concepts through simplified technical discussions and practical applications of the accounting standards. All of this to help you go from zero to hero. In the roadmap on the screen, you will see that in the beginning of your journey to becoming a hero in accounting, you will need to go through 6 steps first. Step 1. We will discuss in individual videos the term assets, liabilities, and equity, which are the first 3 elements of the financial statements. In step 2, we will put all of those 3 together in videos discussing the accounting equation, which in overview is assets is equal to liabilities plus equity. In step 3, we will complete the elements of the financial statements by discussing the terms income and expenses. Once you have a good grasp of the first 3 steps, you are now ready to discuss step 4. In this step, we will now discuss in a series of videos how to record and analyze transactions using the double entry bookkeeping system. This is one big part of our job as accountants, so we will try to make this part as easy to grasp as possible. And once you get good in recording transactions, it's now time to discuss how we summarize information through discussions of the trial balance, subsidiary ledgers, and general ledgers in step 5. And the final step in this series will cover the basics of the financial statements. This will tie up a nice little bow on the fundamentals of accounting by showing you how the end product of all of our work, the financial statements, are being produced. So, I hope you stick around towards the end of the series so that we can all learn accounting together. See you!